It's a beauty contest today. Buyers are expecting homes to be turnkey ready. 80% of buyers don't want to do any work, not even paint. And if the buyer considers the home to be not perfect, then the homes are lingering on the market. And as the market is shifting, there's more competition of homes, and it's becoming challenging to get these homes sold. And there's a lot of inventory out there that the buyers think is dated. So I'm Caroline Gau in the Baird Warner Glenbrook office. Now we have a solution. I'm excited to announce that recently Baird Warner and I have partnered with a company called Curbio. It's a pre-sale home renovation company, as in curb appeal, that they go in and fix properties to meet today's buyers' expectations. And so Curbio can do as much or as little as we need. They can do a complete kitchen remodel or bathrooms, or even just paint the whole house and do minor updates if that's all that's required to sell the house. And so an on-site project manager will, in collaboration with me and the homeowner, decide on the scope of project and complete the work. The best part is, for the seller, there are no hidden fees, no interest, and the seller pays for the renovation work upon closing. And so the work that is decided upon is intended to increase the equity of the property and maximize the value. In fact, the average ROI is 215%, and the market time the houses sell 58% faster. So as you can tell, I'm very excited to get started with this project. And who do you know who has either a condo, townhouse, or single family that hasn't been updated in the last 7 years and is thinking about selling? Fall is a great time to begin this project, and I'll be with you every step of the way. So if you'd like some more information, comment below, share this with your friends, and please connect me with people that I might be able to help. Take care.